இதம் காண்கின்றவான் கூட நிஜமல்ல இதம் சேர்க்கும்
Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning the choreography of Unnai Kaanadhu. This is one of the easier choreographies. I have divided this choreography into 3 parts so it will be easy to follow. We will learn with counts as always. So let's start. The entire video is mirrored. So my right is your right and my left is your left. So the step 1 is 1, 2. So for that you should take a step forward. Okay, with both legs, first right then left, then your hands will go like this. So you should keep your hands in this mudra, then rotate your wrist, rotate from right to left. Okay, your wrist should go backwards, right, back, left. See, like this, above your head. Okay, so let us do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Next 3, 4. For that, from your previous position, you should take a step backward. First right, then left. Then your hands will go like this. Okay, so your left hand will go in dola from above, dola left, then right like this. In this mudra, then you should draw a line from top to bottom. Okay, so let us do it together. From there, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5, 6, 7, 8. So for that your hands will go from left to right in a semicircle. Okay, like this. So first you should start from the left in this mudra, then above your head, then to the right. Just rest your hand there. Okay, like this. Left leg would be in the same position and your right outwards. Okay, to the side. So your hands and legs outward, the right side. Okay, so let's do it once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let us do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this we will go 1, 2. Okay, so for that your legs, the right will go to the middle, then left out. Okay, you should hop a little while doing it. Okay, so from here hop out like this. Okay, then your hands this way like a wave. Okay, I'll show how to do it. Lock your fingers together, then the wave. So it should start from below your face, then to the left, above, right, then rest. Okay, I'll show it again. Below, left, above, right and rest. Okay, like this. Okay, faster. So 1, 2. You can rewind it and learn if you haven't got. So for those who got, let's do it from here. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So after this step, we will go like this. So your right hand in this mudra from your head to the upper right corner. See, from head to the upper right corner. And your left hand, you should just grab your skirt. Okay, so in this mudra to the upper right corner. You should move your head to the opposite direction. Okay, then after that stand straight and flick. Okay, so your right hand will stay in the same place and your left will go from right to left. Okay, just twist and flick. Okay, so your right, after this right in the same place, left from right to left, and your legs, you should just stand straight. Okay, so from here to this. Okay, now after this step we will go 5, 6, 7, 8. So for that you should twist your right leg. Okay, so your knees, first it will face left, then right, then sit. Okay, on your toes, only your right leg, left, right and sit. Okay, and your hands will go like this: in, out, in, out. Okay, you should be twisting your wrists. Okay, so in, out, in and out to this dollar position. Okay, and your body should also be facing in the direction your right knee faces. See, like this. So when your right knee faces to the left, your body will face left. Then once it comes to the right, your upper body will lean to the right. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, your face should be facing the right corner. Okay, now let us do it everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for that, from this position, you should take a step forward, but to the right corner. Okay, not to the front, to the right. Okay, 1, 2, and your left hand will be in dollar and right it will go outward. Then after that, 3, 4. Okay, for that, your left hand will come to grab your skirt and right to your chest. Okay, out, in. Okay, and your legs, it should go backwards, one step back. Okay, then after that, 5, 6, 7, 8. That your left leg should be facing outward, it should be pointed. Then your right hand will go from your chest to outward. Then left, just grab your skirt like this. Then you should shake your head a bit, like you're asking, what am I without you? So in that way, you should just shake your head. See, like this. Okay, so once you're doing the step with your hands, at the same time you should move your head too. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have uploaded the mirrored version of this choreography in 0.75x speed and in normal speed on YouTube Shorts. I didn't include it here due to copyright issues. So please watch it for practicing. I will be uploading the next part soon. So keep watching and happy dancing.